Hey friend, have you heard about Teneo? It's the new company that's changing the gaming API documentation. They're taking a page from Stripe's book and making it easier for companies of all sizes to create clear and concise API documentation. With Teneo, you must plug in your GitHub repository or upload your API collection, and it will do the rest. Teneo analyzes everything and provides the necessary API documentation, plus an AI assistant that uses natural language processing to make it even better. The AI will automatically describe various API attributes and explain their use. This way, even non-technical team members can contribute to the process. Now, Teneo isn't a magic bullet. You'll still need to fine-tune the formats and wording, add images, and make other tweaks. But it automates the process as much as possible so you can focus on the important stuff. One of the best things about Teneo is that it supports a variety of APIs, including OpenAPI, Postman, SOAP API, Async API, and GraphQL. And if you need to make updates, you can do it within seconds. Teneo is designed for everyone, with API widgets and support for multiple programming languages. It even has a developer portal and API browser, so you can easily extend API implementation to other platforms. But what else sets Teneo apart is its customer support, design, and ease of use. They've got high marks in these areas and they're always working to improve the platform. Regarding pricing, Teneo has a basic plan that costs around $20 per user and up to $45 a month for unlimited API projects in their business plan. They also have a corporate strategy that includes custom branding and self-hosting options. And the best part? They're working on a completely free version too. It's no surprise that Teneo is particularly popular in the fintech space. After all, they're looking to emulate one of the most successful fintech startups of the past decade. Just like Stripe, Teneo is making API documentation more accessible, and that's a big reason why developers love it. Hey friend, have you heard about Readwise? It's a fantastic service that curates the best news and content from platforms like Kindle, Instapaper, and iBooks and sends it straight to your inbox daily. And not only that, but they've got a fantastic reader app perfect for all your power readers out there. The versatile app lets you keep all your content in one place, easily searchable and organized. The app has covered you whether you're into Twitter threads, PDFs, or anything in between. Now, even though the app is great for power users, it's also perfect for casual readers like us. It's super flexible and can be used in various settings, whether for personal, professional, or academic purposes. The local cross-platform architecture makes it super fast and efficient, so you can effortlessly search across all your devices. Oh, and did I mention that it connects with all your other thinking tools like Roam, Research, Notion, Evernote, and Obsidian? It's like they've thought of everything. It's got these great workflows to help you tackle content overload, which is a common problem for us power readers. And the best part? The team behind Readwise is actively developing the app and providing responsive customer support. They're even getting feedback from beta testers using the app for hours a day. So if you're looking for an easy way to keep track of the best parts of what you read, Readwise is definitely the way to go. They've got two plans, Readwise Lite for $4.49 per month and Readwise for $7.99 a month. The standard plan lets you organize your highlights with tags and notes and export them to Evernote or Notion. Plus, they even offer a 30-day free trial, so you can try before you buy. Hey friend, have you heard about Connecto? It's a fantastic API-first platform that helps businesses bring their products to life seamlessly and efficiently. With Connecto, product managers don't have to worry about the technicalities of JSON or YAML coding. That's because Connecto has two unique products, Design Studio and Test Studio. Let me tell you more about Connecto Design Studio. This product is a dream come true for product managers who want to develop APIs without technical know-how. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, product managers can quickly develop APIs without getting bogged down by the complexities of coding. The best part is, Connector makes collaborations with the API team a breeze, allowing developers, testers, and operators to work together seamlessly. You can access Connector through their SaaS web apps, Connector.io and app.connector.io. These apps work in popular browsers like Google Chrome, Apple Safari, and Microsoft Internet Explorer. Logging in is super easy too. You can use your LinkedIn, GitHub, or Google credentials. What kind of APIs can you develop with Connecto? The platform is designed to help product managers design and test three types of APIs: System APIs, Process APIs, and Interaction APIs. System APIs are an API-based interaction framework that allows different systems to communicate and exchange data. Connecto makes developing and testing these APIs a piece of cake, ensuring their reliability and scalability. Process APIs, on the other hand, is the glue that binds different systems together. With Connecto's aggregate API builder, you can easily create automated business processes and be confident that your process APIs will work seamlessly with other systems and APIs. Finally, there are Interaction APIs. These APIs are the final touch point in delivering data and content to end users based on their specific access channels like a mobile app or browser. Connecto is adding Developer Connecto Experience APIs to their roadmap, allowing product managers to look at their product strategy from a user-customer perspective. With Connecto, product managers have all the tools they need to design, test, and deploy APIs that drive systems, processes, and experiences. APIs are essential to creating successful products, and Connecto makes it easier for product managers to take advantage of this. So if you're a product manager looking for an easy and efficient way to develop APIs, give Connecto a try. Hey there, have you heard about Codazy? It's a game changer in the world of software development. With the demand for technical talent rising, every company is looking for the best and brightest developers, and that's where Codazy comes in. This AI-based code editing application not only improves your programming skills, but it also offers a unique offering to support developers and aspiring programmers. It's like having a trusty sidekick that's always here to help you create, debug, optimize, and transform your code. Codazy consists of 4 main modules: debugging and providing the right blocks of code, optimizing code with AI-based improvements, converting code to different languages, and commenting on ML AI-based code. And let me tell you, Codazy is a breath of fresh air compared to other legacy debugging tools on the market. They often need to be more user-friendly, especially for beginner to intermediate developers. But with Codazy, you get a simple solution with a similar value propositions to Grammarly. After all, programming is just a new form of writing, and Codazy is poised to become the go-to platform for this growing demand. And the demand is actual. In just 6 months on the market, Codazy passed the 100,000 user mark with a global user base from countries like Brazil, Pakistan, Poland, and more. The Codazy team is expanding its product to meet demand and generate new interest from educational and corporate organizations. But wait, it gets even better. Codazy supports over 30 programming languages and is considered a leader in the code debugging market. The company has achieved many professional successes, including being named the ASU GSV Elite 200 and winning numerous industry awards and recognitions, including the Google Hackathon. And the founder of the program has big plans for Codazy's future. The goal is to scale the technology and become a significant player in the market, helping over 1 million developers and programmers optimize and debug their code. It's exciting to think about the possibilities. So if you're looking to take your software development skills to the next level, you need to check out Codazy. Trust me, you won't regret it. Hey friend, have you heard of Copy AI? It's a fantastic tool for content creation. It uses natural language processing and deep learning to automate the content workflow and is available in over 25 languages. That's pretty cool. You can choose from various writing styles and tones depending on your target audience, making it a versatile tool for everyone, from social media managers and marketing agencies to freelance writers and business owners. With more than 90 tools and templates, you're sure to find something that fits your needs. One thing that sets Copy AI apart is its wide range of content templates. You can create anything from digital AD copy to social media posts, e-commerce copy, and YouTube scripts. And it's not just limited to short-form content. You can also use it for generating ideas for long-form content or blog posts. The best part? It's so easy to use. Sign up for an account via email, Google, or Facebook, and you'll be good to go. You'll even get 100 credits, with each check costing 1 credit and generating 10 offers. That's enough to get a feel for the platform and see how accurate it is. When you're ready to create content, simply click on the template you want, enter your brand name and product description, and click Create Copy. It's that simple, and if you need to change the language, just go to the top right corner and select your preferred language. All your previous projects will be conveniently located in the top left corner, making it easy to manage your content creation. Copy AI even comes with a Chrome extension, so you can use it while working on other apps like Google Docs or Gmail. And if you're worried about plagiarism, the premium account includes a plagiarism checker feature. There is no need to sign up for another tool. Copy AI has covered you. The only downside is that the plagiarism checker is only available with a premium account. Otherwise, Copy AI is a fantastic tool for content creation. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting, it's worth checking out.